Good morning, children. Yes, till yesterday we completed drawing of caps, right? Have you all drawn? Many of you not drawn the caps. One for yourself, one for your daddy, and one for your mummy. And three different types of caps you had to draw, right? Now, children, let us complete this chapter. The cap seller and the monkeys, the new generation. Last page, page number 16. Okay, page number 16. So note down your homework. Your homework, you have to complete page number 16 in textbook and write script writing. Script writing, page number 4. Page number 4. Okay, children? So, note down your homework, and in this page number 16, they have given about some nouns. Okay, complete that in your textbook only. What is noun? Noun, it is a naming word, right? We give the name to the objects, person, places, animal, bird, that all giving name word, that is called noun. About the noun, already we have learned in our previous classes. Now, in the deep, we will learn in the grammar session. But this lesson part we will complete today. You also have to complete the textbook, page number 16 in textbook only. Okay? And write your script writing. Children, you are not writing very neatly. You are just mixing the letters. Okay? Sharpen your pencil, then write the script writing. It looks very nice. Okay? Open the textbook. We will complete the page. See children, this is from your textbook, page number 16. Nouns. Nouns are words which name things, people, places, etc. We give the name to the people, things, places is called nouns. All the words below are nouns. Tick the right mark for those which you can see from where you are. Sitting at present. See, at present, where are you sitting, children? You all are sitting at your homes, right? Then what you have to do? You have to tick the correct mark for the things which you can see at the present. Cross out those which you cannot see. You have to cross out for those which you cannot see. Now, I can see chair, right? If you can see the chair around you, you can tick the correct mark on chair. As you are at home, you can see the bed, right? Yes, you can see the bed. See children, when you are at school, you cannot see the bed, right? I cannot see the bed in the classroom. So, if you can be able to see the bed, you have to tick it. If you are at home, you can tick it. Or if you are somewhere else where you cannot see the bed, you cannot tick. You can cross out. Now, door. We can see the door, right? We can see the switchboard, fish tank. Can we see the fish tank? If it is there at your home, you can tick, or else you can cross it. Kettle. We can see the kettle. Curtain. Rock. Can you see the rock at present? No. Sea. Can you see the sea? No. You cannot see the sea. Can you see the table? At present. Yes, I can see. So you also can see as you're sitting at home. Tick the right mark on table. If you can see the bed, you can tick, or else I cannot see. So I do the cross out for it. Hand. You can see your hand. Gas stove. You can see. Now you are sitting at home, you can see the gas stove, then you can write tick mark. But I cannot see, so I am just crossing it out because I am in class, so I cannot see the gas stove. Carpet, I cannot see the carpet. Plant, I cannot see. Fridge also I cannot see. If you now you are at home, children, you can tick the right mark on the fridge as well, right? Television you can see, but I cannot see by sitting at class. Shoe I cannot see. Elephant I cannot see. Bee I cannot see. The floor I can see, it is there where I am standing on, right? So children, those I have ticked the cross marks. If you can be able to see by sitting there at present, then you have to tick as a right mark. Okay. See, a common noun is the name of any person, place or thing. A proper noun is the name of a special person, place or thing. For a girl, we give the particular name like Sanjana, Deepa, Shweta or Karan, right? We give the particular name that is called proper noun. And the common noun like girl, teacher, they all are common nouns. A proper noun always begins with a capital letter. Children, all the special nouns, the special names always starts with a capital letter. Now, but remember these 3 points, by keeping these 3 points in mind, we have to do this, we have to solve this question. Pick out the proper nouns from the list below and write them in the space provided. Okay, remember to use capital letter. All the proper nouns are, yes, they start with the capital letters, right? And here the words they have given in a small letters, which we have to select a proper noun first. Then we write the first letter as a capital. Now children, let us start. We can write Moscow, Namrata, chair, it is a common noun. Station is a common noun. May month, proper noun. Mumbai, proper noun. Chennai is also proper noun. Basket, it's a common noun. Car is common noun. Toy, common noun. Mother Teresa, proper noun. Airport, common noun. Africa, a special name to the country. Saturday, the special name given to the day. Ship, common noun. Teacher, common noun. February. Book, Taj Mahal, it is a proper noun. Cinderella also given a particular person name, Cinderella. Banana, it is a common noun. Now children, the underlined words, you have to write them in this space provided. In this box, you have to sort these underlined words and you have to write it here. So let us write. I will write and show you. See children, I have wrote all the words starting with the capital letter. Moscow, Chennai, Africa, Taj Mahal, Namrata, May, Mother Teresa, Saturday, February, Cinderella, Mumbai. They all are the special names of people, places, days of the week, month of the year. They all are special names given to the particular, right? So they all are called as proper noun. Okay, and always proper noun always begins with a capital letter, right? I have written all the words capital. You also have to write in a same way. Now see children, you have to solve this puzzle. Okay, solve the puzzle, write their names. So what is this children? This is very good. This is a bat. B-A-T, bat. So what they have given you? You have to cross out the B and instead of B you have to write C. So what will become? It will become C-A-T, cat, right? So here you have to write C-A-T, cat. This is bat, but after solving the puzzle we got the word cat, right? Now which What is this, children? This is a moon. M-O-O-N, moon. So instead of M-O, we have to cross out M and one O from this. Then on will remain. Then plus Y you have to add. Instead of M-O, we have to write P. O and remain. So we will write O and plus Y. So what it will become? Pony. Cat, pony. The same thing, children. You have to solve this puzzle by yourself. Okay. So you have, this is your homework. You have to solve this puzzle. What the boy did in this? He made goal, right? And what is this called as? This is called as fist. So whatever the instruction they have given, you have to follow that and complete the word. Okay, if you cannot able to do, I'll explain it to you in our next class. And children, here you have to make a word with each set of letters. Okay, even this you have to do it by yourself. Let me see how many of you which you will make the words the different words. Okay, make word with each set of letters. With the letters you have to make the particular word. Okay, you can use these letters, only these letters you have to use, no other extra words. Okay, and make a word. I'll give you the example. With this letters I can make the word breakfast. BREAKFAST, breakfast. And the letters are not repeated. I have taken the letters from this word only. So you have to do this all homework. If you cannot able to do, I'll explain it to you. Okay, children? Take care. Bye.